Ready to unlock instant savings at Target? Today, we're diving into the easy-peasy world of using your Target gift card for online purchases so you can get those must-have items delivered to your door. First, head over to Target's website and find the items you want to buy. Once you've added everything to your cart, it's time to check out. After you've gone to your cart, click Checkout. You'll need to either sign into your Target account or check out as a guest on the checkout page. Look for the payment section. Within the payment section, you'll see options for different payment methods. Choose to add a gift card. This is specifically where you input your Target gift card details. You will often find a clear field labeled gift card or Target gift card. Enter your gift card number, which is a long series of digits usually found on the back of the gift card. Below that, carefully enter your gift card's PIN, which is also usually on either the back or sometimes under a scratch-off panel. Once you've entered your information and clicked Applied, the website will attempt to use your gift card balance to pay for your purchase. It will show you the new updated total after the gift card has been applied based on the availability of the card or its balance. If your gift card doesn't fully cover the total, you can pay the remaining balance with another payment method, such as a credit card. Want to check your gift card balance before you shop? No problem. Go to Target.com. At the bottom of the page under Help, there is often a gift card option where you can enter your gift card number and PIN. The website will display your remaining balance. So there you have it. Using your Target gift card online is a breeze. Enjoy your shopping spree. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.